All these amazing images you just saw were generated for free using AI. If you want to start a YouTube channel without showing your own face, AI-generated images can be a game changer. They grab the viewer's attention and can even be converted into short clips. But what's the catch? Many AI image generators online are not free. They come with daily limits that run out fast, forcing you to pay for a subscription. In this video, I'll show you an AI tool that lets you generate unlimited images for free. Flux AI has recently gained massive popularity for its high-quality images. It's the only AI that comes close to matching Midjourney. While Flux isn't entirely free anymore, what if I told you there's a way to use it without spending a single cent? Stay tuned, because I'm about to share all the details. Let's dive in. The tool we'll be using is Flux Jupyter. It's a GitHub repository that runs on Google Colab Notebook. If you prefer, you can install it on your computer and run it locally, but you'll need a lot of computing power for that. Google Colab, on the other hand, makes it easy. You don't need a powerful computer. It's cloud-based, and you can even use it on your phone. Here's how to get started. Click the link in the description below. When you open the link, you'll see an interface with lots of code. Looks intimidating. Don't worry, it's simpler than it seems. First, click the Connect button to link to the GPU. Once connected, click the Play button to execute the code. It might take a little time, depending on your connection. When the process finishes, you'll see a green check mark. Now, scroll down to the section where you can input your prompts. For example, type something simple like a beautiful woman looking at the camera. You can also adjust the image size. Try 1000 by 720 pixels. When ready, click Play again to generate the image. Yes, it might take a few moments, but the results are worth it. Look at the output. It's stunning. The level of detail makes it look like it was captured with a professional camera. To download, just right-click on the image and save it. You can also click the file icon to find the image and download it from there. Want to experiment? Add phrases like animation style to the same prompt and see the transformation. Check it out. Just 2 words and it now looks like a scene from a Disney movie. The prompt can be customized for countless animation styles. Later, you can turn these still images into short videos or even films. Don't forget to download everything you've generated on Google Colab. And now for the second part of this tutorial. I'll show you how to transform the images you've created into moving animations and videos. Did you notice those clips earlier? They were all made from AI-generated images using just a few prompts. Curious about what tool made that possible? Minimax AI. It's the best AI video generator available right now. Their image-to-video feature lets you create unlimited, high-quality videos for free. That's right, no limits. Imagine using it to piece together your own short film. Picture this, showing your younger siblings or kids a movie that you generated entirely with AI. Minimax is revolutionizing content creation. Now, let's get to the exciting part. How can you create these incredible videos? I'll guide you step by step. To start, click the link in the description and sign up using your email. Once you're in, this is the main interface. As you can see, it looks very easy to use. In the prompt section, you can see the image icon. After clicking on it, you can upload the image that you want to convert into a video. To show how this tool works, I'll type in a simple prompt, "Beautiful woman looking at the camera," without even uploading an image. Click Generate and see how realistic the video is. There's no distortion, it all flows smoothly. The main character here, the woman, stays consistent throughout the video. Now, click on the image icon and add the image you generated using Flux AI. Add a simple prompt and look at the output. It's extremely realistic. The features stay the same throughout the video, and it doesn't look morphed at all. It's all natural and fits perfectly within the image. Video AI has really advanced a lot in the past year and is becoming indistinguishable from a real recording. You can also upload any personal images and try out how the video looks. Let's try another one. This time it will be more complex. Use the prompt, "Cinematic scene of a pirate ship coming out of the mist in the ocean," and click on Generate. And here's the output. Absolutely amazing. It's like I personally saw and recorded that scene. The movements are all smooth and fluid. There are no strange distortions at all. Now, don't you agree with me? No other image to video generation comes close to this one. Just think about what you could do with this tool, all the animated stories you could create on your own. There's one more thing I need to tell you. Although this is all completely free, the generation speed can be a bit slow because of the high demand this AI now has. Here's a little secret. If you use this tool in the morning, it's a little bit faster. At least that's been my experience. It may vary based on your location though. If you prefer, you can subscribe to one of their monthly plans. The subscription will give you a faster generation time and remove any watermarks from your videos. This would be very useful if you want to create high-quality videos from this tool on a regular basis. Having tried many other video generators, I can confidently say that Minimax is the best, and nothing else even comes close at the moment. Thanks so much for watching. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below.